Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Extension. In this video, I will show you how to use the Pocket Chrome extension to save website links and important pages so you can access them later easily. So let's get started. Firstly, visit Chrome Web Store. First open Google Chrome, then visit Chrome Web Store. Here you will search for Pocket extension. You can use this Pocket Pad save link sessions and notes. Then click on add to Chrome, then add extension. Once the extension is installed, mark it as pin. Now open a website to save, like I am opening this website. Once the website is open, click on the extension icon. Here you will see save this tab. Click on this, save this tab. The tab is saved successfully. Also, you can change these pet icons. So next time you just click on this pet icon to save any web page, like we will save another one. Open any other website, click on this pet, then you can click on save this tab. Here you will see it's tell you I will remember this and saved successfully. You can also write notes and write reminders like once, daily, weekly, later, today, in 3 days. Pocket Pad also allow you to manage saved links, session and notes, making it easier to keep important information organized. So this is how you can use the Chrome Pocket Chrome extension to save website and keep your favorite pages organized. If you found this tutorial helpful, press the like button and subscribe for more easy extension tutorial. Share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.